Hello, what's up everybody? Thanks for following my channel. I was riding my Jimny this morning and then I had a problem with the transmission shaft that I'll try to show you now. I know it can be a little tricky to see because of the camera, but the problem was there. The transmission link broke and now the motor cannot apply power to the car anymore due to this broken transmission link. I was trying to go up a hill, which wasn't too steep, but even so, this transmission shaft broke. So now it's time to buy a new one. Alright, so watch out for this problem on your Jimnys as well. I was looking for the part number online, and it is part number C1012, and this is like a whole new transmission. And to get it out of the car, I suppose we gotta get all these screws out, then you can remove this plastic thing and the transmission should come out. Let's see if I can do it now. Well, in the beginning I thought I would just need to remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws plus these ones where these things were attached. All right, so in total we have let me see if I can show you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on each side you have 2 more, 7. All right, one here, 8, and then the same here on the other side, 9, 10. But now I realize that I have to get the body of the car out of the frame to extend the transmission shaft. So to get the body of the car free, at the back you gotta remove this 1, 2, right here, 3, 4, 5. There is one more here at the side, so 5 and 6 on the other side. So guys, continuing with our step-by-step guide on how to remove the body of your Jimny. At the front, you just have to remove this one screw that goes in here. All right, the same thing on the other side of the car, there's another screw there. And I also removed 3 tiny screws that go up here, in the middle, and here down there. Why? Because it allowed me to work on the bumper better, to get the front of the car out. Let me show you. At the front, this is the tricky part, because as you can see we have these 2 plastic things that go under the bumper. So you kind of have to pull the bumper out like this, and at the same time you try to lift the body of the car. At the front of the car you also have to remove these 2 screws, the one that goes in here and the other one that goes on the other side. As you can see now, the body of the car is out of the frame. Just the front is still kind of in place because I don't want to mess with all the wiring that goes to the front lights. So I just kept the body like this, and now I can have access to the transmission of the car. So let's find out how to pull it out. So now the transmission is finally out of the car, and I guess you guys can see where the problem is. You see, this ball is pretty much like flat. You see, there should be a tip like here, and the same on the other side, if I can say the balls have sides. Yeah, but that's it. So we cannot buy only this shaft, we have to buy the whole transmission. So yeah, so that's it guys. Yeah, time to order one online now. So alright guys, the shaft is finally out. I needed to use a 1.5 mil to get this grub screw out and then get the shaft out of the transmission. So now when I buy the new transmission, I get it, instead of removing these two guys as well, which can be a pain in the neck, I'll just get the new shaft from the new transmission and install to this old one, and then put it back in the car. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to, because it will help me a lot. Thanks guys.